Hi everyone, and welcome back to Conquering Math, where it all adds up. In this video, I'll be walking you through the independent practice solutions to the subtracting rational numbers lesson. If you haven't watched the lesson video yet, you should stop this video, go watch that lesson first, and then come back when you're ready. Alright, let's get started. Independent practice number 1. Find the difference of -3 minus 7. Let's take a look at this problem. We need to find the difference of -3 minus 7. The first thing that we need to do is recognize that we're subtracting a positive number, and so our first step is to change the positive 7 to -7, and then change the subtraction sign to an addition sign. So now we have -3 plus -7. At this point, all we have to do is follow the rules that we already know for adding rational numbers. So -3 plus -7 equals -10. Independent practice number 2. Find the difference. -10 minus -8. So if we take a look at this problem, we're subtracting with a negative number. So what that means is the first step will require us to change -8 to +8, and then again change the subtraction to addition. So now instead of -10 minus -8, we have -10 plus 8. Once again, we just need to follow the rules for adding rational numbers, and we know that -10 plus 8 equals -2. Now it's time to throw some decimals into the mix. This time we need to find the difference of 3.4 minus -5.28. So in this example, we're subtracting a negative number again. So the first thing we need to do is change -5.28 to +5.28, and we'll change the subtraction sign to an addition sign. So now our expression is 3.4 plus 5.28. Once again, we just need to follow the rules for adding rational numbers, and in this case it's just basic decimal addition. So 3.4 plus 5.28 equals 8.68. As usual, we'll wrap it up with a real-world problem. Elevations above sea level are measured with positive numbers, while elevations below sea level are measured with negative numbers. Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world, with its peak at 8,850 meters above sea level. The Mariana Trench contains the deepest known point in the Earth's oceans at approximately 10,990 meters below sea level. What is the difference in elevation between these 2 points? The first thing we should do is write down the relevant information, and then we can use that to write our expression. We know that the highest peak is 8,850 meters above sea level, so that's a positive number, and the lowest point in the ocean is 10,990 meters below sea level, so that's a negative number. Because we need to find the difference, we'll set this up as a subtraction expression. So we have 8,850 minus -10,990. Since we're subtracting a negative number, we'll change the subtraction to an addition sign and change the negative number to a positive number. So we have 8,850 plus 10,990. And once we add those together, we'll find a grand total of 19,840. So the peak of Mount Everest is approximately 19,840 meters higher than the deepest known point in the Mariana Trench. So feel free to rewind, pause this video, try the problems again as many times as you think is necessary until you really understand the process. Thanks again for joining me for this episode of Conquering Math, where it all adds up, and I'll see you next time.